Stop prompting. Start building AI agents instead. You're probably wasting hours every week typing the same stuff into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Let's be real. Prompts are old news. Imagine having your own digital minion. It gets stuff done while you play games, go for a walk, or just vibe. In the next 10 minutes, I'm showing you how to go from typing the same boring questions to unleashing an AI that actually does things for you, making decisions, fixing mistakes, and saving you hours. Here's a gut check. What's the most annoying, repetitive thing you do at work, in business, in life? Put it in the comments. Loser with the most annoying task wins. Well, eternal pity from all of us. Let's call it out. Prompting is like wishing for better pizza, but you still have to make it. Ask an AI to write an email. Sure, one click. Ask it to pull your latest report, summarize a meeting, and put the result in a Google Doc. It totally blanks. That's because chatbots only talk back. No memory, no actions, no brains. It's like yelling pizza orders into space. Sometimes you get a reply, but nobody is making your snack. A chatbot is like the world's smartest couch potato. You always have to ask, it never starts on its own, zero hustle. If you don't prompt, nothing happens. Helpful only sometimes. If you want true magic, you need agents, eh? Let's upgrade. You can give chatbots instructions. If you need my calendar, check this. If I ask for the weather, look it up, then tell me. Congrats, that's a workflow. It's like a nervous intern who does exactly what you say, nothing more. Change one instruction, boom, meltdown. And if something weird happens, full robot panic. It's like a GPS that only knows one route. New road, road closed, game over. So, automation is stuck unless you babysit it. Want to see a workflow break? Try getting daily news summaries from 5 websites. The second one changes its layout. Crash. You've heard stuff like RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, or Zapier changes everything. Sounds fancy, but honestly, those tools just fetch info and do simple plug and play. You're still running the show, still doing the decision-making, still, well, prompting. But what if you could set the goal and the AI would just get it done? That's an agent. Picture this. You say, plan my Paris trip for under $800. The agent compares flights, checks hotels, watches the exchange rate, even figures out if you'll need an umbrella. If flights sell out, it finds new ones. If prices shoot up, it adjusts your plan. No micromanaging. Or save me $500 this month. Agent goes full detective, scans your bills, finds the useless subscriptions, cancels them, and messages you the secret money ninja plan automatically. Or maybe, summarize these 10 articles and make it sound funny for my blog. It does the reading, writes the jokes, updates the blog, and posts it for you, all on its own. Businesses are using agents right now to answer emails, schedule meetings, update sheets without human input. One company cut boring admin work by 60%. This isn't future stuff, it's happening. Chatbots, your online pen pal, has all the answers but never calls unless you ask. Workflows, nervous intern, works through a checklist but freezes if things change. Agents, a full-on chief of staff. They know the mission, adapt to new problems, and only call you if something's genuinely weird. Which one do you want handling your life? Agents are too complicated. Nope. If you ever set up a Google Calendar notification, you're halfway there. Will agents steal my job? No. They free you from boring stuff, so you can do the big picture moves. Is this some sci-fi? Customer service bots, shopping helpers, meeting schedulers, it's already here. Here's how to dip your toe in, no drowning. Step 1. Pick one thing you hate doing, like updating spreadsheets. Step 2. Look for a no-code agent tool in the description. Pick read-only mode so nothing breaks. Step 3. Log the agent's actions. Double-check the outputs and see what happens. Step 4. Once it works, let it handle one more task. Step 5. Boom, you're managing your own robo-fleet. Simple rule, test in a safe practice mode first. Once you trust the results, then allow the agent to run for real. Ready to ditch the endless prompts? Next time you're typing a mega long question, just stop and ask, could an agent do this? Type agent ready in the comments and tell us what's the one task you'd hand off to an AI agent. I'll feature some of the best ones in upcoming videos. And here's the bottom line. Agents aren't about replacing you, they're about amplifying you. Instead of drowning in repetitive tasks, you focus on the creative moves, the strategy, the human part only you can do. The sooner you learn to work with agents, the sooner you'll have an edge at work, in business, in life. Oh, and one more thing. If you want to try building your first agent without coding, I've linked some beginner-friendly tools in the description. Start in read-only mode so the agent can explore your data safely without changing or deleting anything. Once you're comfortable, you can give it more freedom step by step. You just unlocked the mindset for modern AI. Stop prompting, start using agents. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you next.